Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing something that we haven't done in a good while on this channel, and these are lip swatches. It's ridiculous I haven't done them in so long because I'm a lip artist. As you know, I post lip art on my Instagram and TikTok all the time, and of course I have bought some new lipsticks throughout all this period that we haven't had the lip swatches here. But for some reason, I don't know, they just didn't seem interested enough to swatch. And I'm also thinking of uploading some lip art tutorials, but they're in a vertical format. So let me know what you think of this idea. Today we got the new Nyx Shine Loud lip glosses, lipsticks. They say Shine Loud, Lead Everything. And like, I know they're not exactly new, everybody has swatched them already, but you know me, I always need to test the product myself to see how the colors actually look, and I will of course be also showing you the dupes. Right now on my lips I'm wearing both of these lipsticks and a lip gloss which is not from these lipsticks, so I will show you a swatch of both of them separately with the lip gloss that comes included. And I will also show you how I did this ombre with another lip gloss. Spoiler alert, yes, you can use another lip gloss and the lipstick still won't transfer. Let's take a closer look. As you can see, it's brand new. I haven't even opened it yet. Well, the glosses are both transparent and here and there, so let's just open one. Okay, it has a nice brush. It's completely transparent. Very liquidy. Not tacky at all. Not tacky at all. Let's see the color of the lipstick and the wand. I'm so curious. Oh, love this color. Love this wand. And the only thing that I don't love is the quantity of the lipstick here. So let's go with the swatches. I will start with the blue, then I will go for the pink, and then I will do an ombre of the two. At least I will try. I hope they work as lipsticks that can do ombres. The pigmentation isn't bad, but it's also not completely opaque in one swipe. Let's wait and see what happens when it dries. Right now, when it's drying, it's a very sticky. If my lips are pressed together like this, it feels kind of uncomfortable. I hope this goes away when it dries. It almost feels like glue here. Ugh. Ouch. I pressed the lips together before it dried and a part flaked off. It takes quite a bit of time to dry. Not just a few seconds, no. More like a few minutes. My finger, clean. Well, like two little pieces of blue lipstick. I guess it hasn't completely dried down, but it's not exactly transferring. Here's the full face look, by the way. And now let's go for the gloss. Yeah, well, the lipstick almost didn't transfer. You see a slight piece here. So this is the color 23. This is how it looks from the full face distance. Let's see how hard or easy it is to take off. This is an oil-based makeup remover, so a strong one, you might say. The gloss feels pretty hydrating, actually. It feels nice on the lips. Ouch, this is hard to take off. Oh my god. I don't like this. I don't like when the lipstick is too hard to take off. I feel like in this case it might kind of damage my lips and I might get an allergic reaction to it. I'm not implying that will happen to everyone. I'm just saying that my lips are pretty sensitive. So something that is, you know, that gripping onto them is not really good. So yeah, you can take it off with the oil-based makeup remover. There is no stain, but it kind of comes off in parts, in flakes. See? Like, what is that? Almost there. Now we'll go for the pink number 14 and let's see how it behaves. I love the wand. The wand is very cute. Okay, the shape is not perfect, but I can live with it. Once again, when it dries, it feels like glue. Ugh. See this patch? This is not the blue lipstick, this is just a patch. No transferring. Well, if there are small particles like with the blue one, being pink, they're just not as visible. Full face distance, let's do the gloss. No transferring of the lipstick, just the gloss. And here is the full face view. The color is pretty nice. Let's now try to take it off again with the strong makeup remover, and after that I will do an ombre of the blue and pink and apply another gloss of a different brand, and we'll see what happens then. Yeah, same story as with the blue, it's hard to take off, very hard. I'll just zoom in for you. Let's now do the ombre of the two. Not really good for ombres, it tends to be patchy when you apply it with the side of the wand. I will have to layer it. That's definitely layerable when it dries down a bit. It feels like there's silicone on your lips. Something like that. The texture is weird. Not what I'm used to. You can do an ombre, but it will take you more time than usual. I wanted to make the ombre smoother, so I pressed my lips together. And as you see, a part flaked off. You can't do blend it here as usual. Alright, let's consider this ombre to be kind of acceptable. I'll apply another brand's lip gloss and see if the lipsticks are going to be transfer proof with this lip gloss. The lipstick is getting smudged. Don't forget to apply the lip gloss to the corners too, because then you will get rid of the sticky glue sensation. Okay, transfer check. With the gloss, it already feels much better. Yes, the lipsticks are in place, only the gloss transfers, so you can actually use this lipstick with any lip gloss of your choice. For instance, you can use a slightly colorful one or a sparkly one to transform the base color of the lipstick. And here we have the view from the full face distance. I will tell you my impressions about the lipsticks, and then I will go on to hand duping them so that you have a really good idea of the color. I am not very fond of these lipsticks. Honestly, everybody seems to love them, and on TikTok they seem to be super popular. Everyone is doing wear tests and transfer tests. They really don't transfer, like almost, that's true, and the lip gloss on top really stays on top. It doesn't take away the lipstick, but that's pretty much the only thing they have as advantage, I would say. Also, well, the pigmentation, like, it's kind of decent. It's not super good, but it's not bad either. And overall, I don't know, it's just not something that I would buy again, not something that I'm about to wear on a regular basis. I might use them a bit in my lip art. I'm not really sure how they will behave. Definitely they're not good for blending out, so they're not good for ombres. This was a pain. Usually I do ombre in a snap because I'm so used to it. I do ombre lips all the time. And also, if you've watched my videos, I usually tend to mostly like the things that I review and swatch on this channel. I'm always like, oh, I love this product, I love that product, I would recommend it. I would not recommend these. I mean, I wouldn't discourage you from buying these either. They aren't bad, but they aren't good. And in my opinion, they're also not really worth the money because, well, maybe like just for fun to have a lipstick that doesn't transfer under a lip gloss to try it out. Yeah, sure. But just if you think a bit, really the amount of the lipstick is this. This is a gloss, but I feel like a clear gloss is kind of cheaper than a lipstick. And just to compare, here is the liquid suede. So here we have the amount of lipstick is this, and here the amount of lipstick is this. Okay, the packaging can be different, so let's just take a look of how many. Okay, so the lip color is 0.11 FL Oz. These must be some ounces, I don't know these, but 3.4 milliliters. So here we have 3.4 milliliters of lipstick, and here in the liquid suede, okay, not that much more. Here we had 4 milliliters of lipstick, but liquid suedes are also cheaper. Okay, maybe I was wrong, probably the price is okay because you have like almost 7 milliliters in total of the products, and here you have only 4. I guess for me it's just not worth the money because I didn't like it. So the things that I didn't like, that it's not pigmented enough to my taste. It is not blendable, it's hard to do an ombre. It has a very weird sensation while drying down. This gluing sticky sensation just annoys me a lot. It still feels kind of weird before you apply lip gloss, so you can't really wear these lipsticks without a lip gloss on top. It doesn't have to be that same lip gloss, but some lip gloss, and so it won't go as a matte lipstick. It's just a matte lipstick without gloss. It won't go. So overall, I feel like these are overhyped and not really that interesting. What I'm actually worried about is that they have much fewer colors of liquid suedes on their site right now, so I'm worried whether they will discontinue the liquid suedes and replace by these. Oh no, my god, no! I love the liquid suedes formula. It's probably my favorite formula of liquid lipsticks, and I sure wouldn't like them to be replaced, especially seeing that these have less interesting colors. So out of unconventional colors, they have this blue, they also have a dark teal, and I believe that's it. The other ones they have are more on the traditional side, like reds, pinks, nudes. There is a purple, but it's also like a warm and muted purple, so also more wearable, as people say, though I hate that word because I mean, if you wear it, it's wearable, right? Anyway, so let's go for the dupes. You've been waiting for this. Okay, so here we will put our Shine Loud lipsticks. Everybody's monitors are different, so I will show the dupes of the colors that you might already know, and this way you will get a better idea. I feel like the blue color is almost an exact dupe of NYX Jet Set. See, very, very similar. The 14 is somewhat close to Pink Lust, but 14 is a little bit warmer. So see, Pink Lust is leaning a bit more to violet. It's a cooler pink. And I have the Baby Bad Beauty Gummy Bears here, which is another dupe. And it is closer. The Baby Bad Beauty is slightly warmer than this one, so this one is kind of in between the two. And here's another blue dupe for you. This is called Rain Royal. It is slightly bluer than this one, if I can say so. So this one is leaning a tiny, tiny bit to purple, and this one is pure blue. The next one is also slightly dark. Then I also have some dupes from Glam Vice Cosmetics, if you know this brand. If you don't, by the way, I was thinking of making a review about them. So this is Grapeness, and it's lighter. And this is Bubblegum, cooler and lighter. Lastly, I still have some NYX Cosmic Metals left, remember those? So here I have the Fuchsia Fusion, which is slightly cooler. Well, and also sparkly, of course, but that's kind of obvious. I'm just trying to give you the idea of the hue and of the lightness. And this one is Celestial Star, pretty close, slightly lighter. Thanks for watching the review and the dupes. If you have tried these Shine Loud lipsticks, please let me know what you think. I feel like my opinion here is super unpopular because everyone seems to be so fond of that, but I really am not, and this is a rare case for me. If you like the work I did in this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one, and also hopefully on my Instagram and TikTok accounts. Bye bye, loves!